Today we are going to discuss real numbers. Example 1. Use Euclid's algorithm to find HCF of 4052 and 12576. So let us proceed. So in this we are going to apply Euclid's division lemma. What is that? Euclid's division lemma. So the formula is A equal to BQ plus R, A equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equal to R less than B. 0 less than or equal to R less than B. That is the condition. A and B are in integers. A and B are integers. Q and R it has to satisfy, so that you have to get the product A. So now out of the two given numbers, 12,576 it is greater than 12,576 is greater than 4052. 12,576 is greater than 4052. So now let us going to apply this Euclid's division lemma. Greater number you write first. 12,576. Always greater number you write first. This is equal to this into how many times, then you need to get the remainder. Say for example 12 by 2, that means you see here 1 time 6 times, 1 times 6 times. So that means 12 I can write 12 is equal to 2 into 6 plus 0. 12 equal to 2 into 6 plus 0. Say for example if it is 11 by 2, same number I am dividing. You see here 1 time it is 5 times. So remainder equal to 1. Remainder equal to 1. So 11 how to write? 2 into 5 plus 1. 11 equal to 2 into 5 plus 1. 11 equal to 2 into 5 plus 1. So you see here remainder it can be 0 as well as the other number. That is the condition. 0 less than or equal to R less than B. See here what is B here? It is A equal to BQ plus R. This is B. Now let us apply the condition. Check it out, the condition. 0 less than or equal to, what is R? 0. That is less than B. That is 2. Zero less than or equal to R less than B. For this I am applying the condition. It is satisfying, no? 0 is less than 2, no? Now let us check the second part's condition of R. 0 less than or equal to 1 less than B. This is B is 2. Check again, 1 is lesser than 2, no? 1 is lesser than 2, no? So this satisfied the condition. So like this we are going to apply this sum. So this is equal to how many times of this, and if it is there is a remainder you can write. And it can be equal to 0. It can be equal to 0, but it should be a greater than 0. It can be 0, remainder can be 0, and it should be lesser than B. Remainder can be 0 and lesser than B. Now 4052. 4052 times of what number will give you 12,576? Say for example this 4,000, no? 4,052. So 4,000 alone, if I divide for 4 times, 4 into 4 itself, you will get 16,000. You will get 16,000. But you see available itself 12,000. Available itself 12,000. So what we do is we'll go with 3 times, so that you will get the number which is lesser than 12,576. So we'll go with 3 times into 3. So let us check it out. See 12,156 we are getting. 12,156, but available is 12,576. 12,576, 12,156. So 420 we are getting, plus 420 we are getting. Now let us take this number. So out of these two number, this is greater number. So 4052 equal to 420 into how many times? 420 into how many times will give you 4052 or lesser than this number. So this again it is 4000 is approximate. You can easily get. It is 4000. So here it is 4000 is there. Here it is 400 you have. Here it is 400 it is there. Now 10 itself you will get 4000. 10 itself you will get 10 if you put 4200. 10 if you put 4200, but available itself 4092. You go with 9 times into 9. 420 into 9. 420 into 9. See 3780. 3780. Your available number 4052, 3780, 272. The remainder is 272. So now let us take these two numbers. This is greater number. 420 is equal to 272 into how many times? 272 into how many times? 272. If we put 2 times means you will get 540 something like that. So we will go with 1 time. Just a trial and error method only. We will go for 1 time. So 272. So 420 will subtract 420 and 272. So the remainder is 148. Remainder is 148 plus 148. So now the greater number 272 equal to 148 into how many times? It is 100 is there. Say for example, if we round up into approximate 150 means into 2 times itself you will get 300, but available itself 272. So we will go with 1 time. So 272 minus 148. Remainder is 124 plus 124. So now let us take these two numbers. 148 is equal to 128 into how many times? 128 into 124. 124. 124 into how many times? 2 times itself 248 will come. 248 will come. So we'll go with 1 time. So 148 minus 124. 148 minus 124. So remainder is 24. Remainder is 24. Remainder is 24. 124 equal to 24 times of what number will give you 124? So 7 times means 140 will come. 7 times means 140 will come. We'll go with the 6 times. We'll go with 6 times. 24 into 6. It is coming 144. So it is more than this. So let us go with 5 times. So 120. So 5 times means remainder is 4 plus 4. So now these two, 24 equal to 4 into 6 plus 0. So that's why remainder it is equal to 0 and lesser than b. It is lesser than 4, no, 0 means, so it is satisfied the condition. So now let us write the HCF. Therefore HCF of 12576, greater number you write 12576 comma 4052 is equal to 4. So this is the first number is the HCF. First number is the HCF. The calculations we try to write in the rough columns. Thank you.